Now, before we get into this is like a two-part series of dirty recipes, meaning like dirty rice mashups. We did the dirty spaghetti. I don't think this cabbage shit is really gonna fuck with that. If you don't like some keto type shit, you know, this is for you. This is perfect for a keto diet. This is like over the top if you on keto. And it's real easy to make. I'll have the recipe in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, we're going high heat on this. We ain't gonna even play with it. I remember when I did the dirty cabbage, I said add a little olive oil in before you brown your sausage for an even sear. Casey, I'm not about to drop nothing, brother. I dropped some cabbage, you can fuck with it. We have our smoked sausage. All right, now that we got our sausage brown, y'all know the routine. We're gonna set them to the side. Now, let's add our veggies. That shit hot as a bitch. Same as the last recipe, red and green, bell peppers, white onions. Usually I won't use red bell peppers because in anything dirty, you don't really see red bell peppers. I mean, but cook it how you want to, fuck it. All right, go ahead and move those to the side. Half a pack sage sausage. Like I said, it's pork. If you don't fuck with pork, then just do all ground beef. Half pound of ground beef. Break that down. All right, go ahead and mix that. Let's add our cabbage. Now, you just want to cook this down. Cook it down, okay? Don't add the seasonings until the cabbage has released some of its fluids. That's why we don't need a broth. We don't need a stock. All we need is patience. Let this cook down. Now, you see how the cabbage is releasing its fluids? You see that? That's all you need. No chicken broth, please. Now we're ready for the seasonings, which is Gumbo File or Gumbo Filet, however you want to pronounce it. Beef Bullion, onion powder, thyme, a little bit of cayenne, Old Bay, onion powder, or did I say garlic powder? Or whatever, you know which one I mean. Let's add our sausage. And that's it. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to be too soft. You still want, I mean, just for me, I want crunch. I still need some of that crunch in there. All right. Dirty cabbage. She don't like cabbage no more.
I don't know why. I mean, I like it. No, yeah. It's just...
When you like something, you request it.
I like better. It's other veggies I prefer.
Brussels.
Yep.
Baby cabbage.
Yep.
This is baby cabbage.
Green beans.
Come on.
You bet.
We already picked the winner. We just giving y'all this recipe too because I know y'all asked for it.
But didn't the cabbage go up more?
Huh?
On YouTube? The cabbage?
Yeah, it did. That's because everybody on their health shit.
Yeah, so we healthy. I ain't gonna lie though, when he made this, it was a little spicy for me. Ugh. Here you go.
It's fire to me.
I'm gonna eat a little bit. Eat a little bit, smoke a little bit.
I fuck with it. The crunch from the cabbage.
I think that's what annoys me, the crunch.
It's a healthier option.
Or just man-made. It's cabbage man-made. I think it's
Ain't no seed to it. Ain't got no seeds. Ain't got no seeds.
I literally just realized like the other day when you make this, like, I don't think I like cabbage anymore. But I'm gonna eat, I'll eat it. But I'll definitely pick a Brussels sprout. You want to make dirty Brussels sprouts?
Dirty Brussels? Nobody want that shit.
Definitely keto though. He lost a lot of weight making this. Not dirty cabbage, but regular cabbage with sausage. Keto. Delicious. I'm going with the dirty spaghetti. 100,000%.
I love vegetables.
Have y'all ever put shrimp in your cabbage?
We did that with the gumbo cabbage. This is fire. I don't care. This is fire. I like the ground beef, the sage sausage. I love it.
The who sausage?
The sage breakfast sausage.
Oh, that's what's in there? I know it's a little different.
I love it. I love it. Let me get one more bite. My grandmother would have a fit if I made this shit for her. But no, that shit in the cabbage.
She would like it.
All she put in hers is salt pork. Hey, honestly, it's 50-50 with me, man.
Nope. Hell no. Not even close.
What?
Dirty spaghetti. Granted, this is yeah. But 50-50?
Yeah.
If both was in my face?
You going for the pasta?
Fuck yeah.
With all the cheese?
Not even that. Even without the cheese, I'm picking the dirty spaghetti over the cabbage.
Well, I love vegetables. That's why. I would pick
No, he's lying.
it's 50-50.
He's lying.
50-50.
70-30.
A lot of people don't like pasta. Well, not a lot of people, but
That's
for the
true.
people that don't like pasta, try this. I heard of some other recipes. I seen somebody make fucking Alfredo cabbage.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, I seen somebody make the Alfredo
I
cabbage.
might fuck with that.
Oh
Put a
no.
little cheese on it.
Oh no.
A little cheese, you know, I like it.
But if you trying to make this dish right here, recipe is in the description. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't want to say that.
Let's go.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
My nigga, enjoy.